Hey everyone, so in today's LeetCode problem, we have a problem convert 1D array into 2D array. So basically it is an easy level of problem, and as a problem given here, you are given a 0 indexes, one dimensional integer array original. So here we have an array original which is in the 1D form, and we need to convert it into 2D forms where m and n are basically the sizes of like rows and column. Okay, you are tasked to creating a two-dimensional array and with m rows, okay, and n is basically column using all the elements from original. So basically original is 1D array. From this original array we have to create two-dimensional array, okay, and we have to just explain about their rows, the sizes of rows and sizes of column like m and n here as it is given. Okay, so the elements from indices 0 to n minus 1 inclusive of original should form the first row. So basically here it is described that what is in the first row, that means the elements from 0 to n minus 1 inclusive the original, and the elements from the second um, the elements from indices n to 2 multiplication by n inclusive should from the second row of the constructed 2D array, and so on like that. So return here we have to return m cross n 2D array constructed according to the above procedure, or an array empty 2D array if it is possible. So for solving this problem as it is given here, like here this is the original array which is like in the 1D form, and we can just place it, we can create it into the array where the sizes of rows is like 2 and the sizes of columns is also like 2. So we can say that 2 cross 2 which is like equal to 4, and it is also which is equal to the original size. Okay, so it is true, right? So we can construct this 1D array into 2D form. Okay, similarly these are the examples, and here these are the constants which we are using, and like this is like okay, so basically this is a similar questions is related there. Okay, reshape the matrix is actually related to this problem. So for solving this problem, first of all what we have to do, basically this is an easy problem. First of all we have to check whether like it is a multiple of original, like the sizes of rows and column is like equal to we can say that the sizes of 1D array or not. Okay, so first of all we need to check first the sizes of 1D array is equal to 2D array or not. If it is like not equal, then we can say that we can't able to create any 2D array. Like here we can say that if original dot size, whatever is the original, that is my 1D array, and this is like we can say that this is the 1D array size. If it is like not equal to we can say that m cross n. Okay, whatever the like rows are given and columns are given, if it is like not equal to the sizes of the array, that is 1D array, then we can simply say that this array is actually or we can say that the 2D array cannot be able to form by using the 1D array. So we can simply return here in the vector form, return vector form, okay, which is like of int type. Okay, so here we can simply return, it will return 0. Okay, that means the sizes of rows are 0. We can't able to create a 2D matrix here. And the second thing is here we can also create 0. Okay, like that. So if the sizes of like rows and columns are not equal to the original size, then we can say that we need to return 0 for both. That means the sizes of rows are also 0 and the columns are also 0, as it is not able to make 2D array from the 1D array. Now if it is like multiple of it, then we need to create basically we can able to create 2D array from the 1D array. So for that we have to create first of all a vector, which is like we can say that like answer. Okay, vector, let's say I'm saying int type, and here we can say that answer, where we have to take what, here we have to take the sizes of rows and the sizes of column here. Okay, we have, as we have taken the sizes of rows and sizes of column. Now once we have like declared this vector here, which we are using to like push the original element from the 1D array, and we have to like push it into the 2D array. That means here we actually creating 2D array from the 1D array. So for that, first of all, we have to traverse okay, for int I is equal to 0 and I is less than, first of all we have to say m I plus plus, which is like rows. Here we have to like traverse it inside the 2D array. For int j is equal to 0, j is less than n, and j plus plus. Now what we have to do here? Now till here we need to do what? For that, first of all we have to also like traverse it. Here we actually creating the 2D array from the 1D array. Okay, so for that, here we have to create indexes which are basically used to traverse for 1D array. So here we can say that let's say if I'm saying that it int index for original. Okay, original index, original is equal to 0. That means basically we are talking about that here we have declared index original variable, which is actually pointing to this position, and we actually doing what, we actually taking this from taking the value from here, and we need to place it like here in the form of like 2D array. So here we actually creating the 2D array. Okay, so here we can say that here basically I am creating 2D array and the 1D array. Okay, like that. Okay, and so here what we have to do, here we can say that here we need to simply push that value from this 1D array into the 2D array. So here we can say that here I declared answer, so answer dot push back, and here we can say answer dot push back, not answer dot push back. Here we don't have to push the answer, here we need to store the value. That means here we have declared the value to the value. That means here we have declared answer. So here answer, we have to like define the rows and column, and here we have to take the value from original, and here we have to take the indices of this value. Okay, that means what we have defined here, what we have declared here, index original. Okay, like that we are actually taking the value one by one from this 1D array to form 2D array, and here we can simply make what, index original plus plus. Okay, and finally we can able to get this value. Okay, like we can simply say that return answer. Now let's try to run. Yeah, it's accepted. So yeah, let's try to submit this problem. So yeah, it's submitted. So yeah, that's all for the today. Thanks for watching.